Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Facebook on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. Okay, so let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. And you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, just log in. Okay, and after that you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu button in the top right section over here. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys, I have this menu screen opened, and you can see my name over here. Okay, so if I tap on this see your profile link, you can see my name. Okay, and I will change this. So let me go back. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you have to open this menu screen, and after that you have to scroll down and then tap on this settings and privacy. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to tap on this settings. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have the account settings. Under this, here we have this personal information, so just tap on this, and you can see guys, here we have this general section. Under this, here I have this name. Okay, so just tap on this name, and you can see guys, we have this name screen opened. Okay, and here we have the first name, middle name, and last name. So before changing the name, let me tell you this note. If you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. Okay guys, so if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. Okay, so I have only the first name and the last name. So let me tap on this first name, and let me write the name that I want. I want this name, the first name. So I don't have any middle name. If you have that, just tap on this and provide your middle name. Okay, and here we have the last name. Let me provide the last name that I want. Okay, and after changing the name over here, just tap on this review change button. So let me tap on this review change button, and you can see guys, here we have this screen, preview your new name, choose how your name will appear on your profile. Okay, so Facebook will give two options. So if I want this second option, I need to tap on this to select it. So let me show you. So let me tap on this, and you can see this option is now selected, but I want this first option. So let me tap on this, and you can see this option is now selected. And after that guys, you need to provide the password. Okay, you can see, to save this setting, please enter your Facebook password. So let me provide the password. Okay guys, and after that just tap on this save changes button. So let me tap on this save changes button. It's saving, and you can see guys, the name is now changed. Okay, so let me go back. Let me go back again. Let me tap on this personal information, and you can see the name is now changed. Let me go back. Let me go back again. Okay, and let me open my profile by tapping on this see your profile link, and you can see guys, the name is now changed. So let me go back. You can see the name is not changed yet over here. So let me go to my home screen. Let me open this menu again, and you can see guys, it's still not changed over here. Okay, so just close your Facebook app and then open it again. So let me open that. It's opening, and it's opened, and let me tap on this menu icon over here. You can see the name has been changed. Okay, and if I tap on this home button, you can see guys, the name has been changed. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily change your name in Facebook on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.